Hello friends, did you know that the United States is developing a new, super advanced fighter aircraft known as the NGAD? But behind this advanced technology there is a lot of controversy. Will NGAD be a secret weapon or the biggest budget waste in US military history? Let's reveal the truth behind this scandal. NGAD is designed to replace the aging F-22 Raptor. But did you know that the cost of one NGAD aircraft is estimated at $300 million, much more expensive than an F-35? This raises a big question: how could the US possibly maintain its military superiority at such high costs? Will this be a project that puts a strain on the US military budget? Meanwhile, Russia and China are not remaining silent. They are developing advanced fighter aircraft such as the Su-57 and J-20, which are capable of competing with NGAD. With global tensions rising, is NGAD strong enough to meet these threats? Don't forget, the war between Russia and Ukraine has shown how important air dominance is. US support for Ukraine has become a global highlight. In the midst of this conflict, NGAD development has become increasingly critical. The US needs to ensure that it can support its allies and maintain their military superiority around the world. However, with ballooning budgets and technological uncertainty, can NGAD meet these expectations? The core of NGAD is the deployment of at least 1,000 unmanned collaborative combat aircraft (CCA), designed to operate as drone wingmen alongside piloted jets. These drones will increase capabilities, reduce costs, and perform a variety of missions, including surveillance and electronic warfare. However, it also raises concerns about the future of human pilots in modern warfare. Are we seeing the beginning of the end of the era of human fighter pilots? In the context of modern warfare, air dominance is key. NGADs are designed to maintain US air superiority, but with staggering costs and the risk of rapidly obsolete technology, are NGADs really the solution of the future, or just a huge out-of-control expense? Will this be the biggest military budget scandal in US history? The success of NGADs relies heavily on managing costs while integrating cutting-edge technologies. Otherwise, we may see this program collapse before it reaches its potential. So friends, what do you think about NGAD? Will this be the secret weapon that takes the US to the pinnacle of air dominance? Or will it be the biggest budget waste in history? Share your opinions in the comments column, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next interesting videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.